How y'all doing though? How y'all doing though? Huh? What? How y'all doing though?
Something like my makeup, I say you the best. I know you can't see it all by yourself, but you are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and you already know what it is. It's another Ipsy Unbagging. It is July Ipsy, and welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what you got in your Ipsy bag and what your bag looks like. And if you want to subscribe to Ipsy, the information will be down below in the description box. And so we're gonna head into the video. So this month is going to be the last month you will see this setting here. So it's gonna be a new setting. I'm so excited, and yeah. So when I pull it out, this is so cute. Like, it's so cute. Like, it's blue, it's sparkly, and I don't know, I just like blue. It has a little cute, you know, Ipsy zipper thing here. Okay, so for the month of July, this is what the little postcard or whatever you want to call it for July looks like. It says, ready to dive into summer? Your 5 glam bag picks, pool ready makeup bag, and a ton of inspo on the Ipsy app are here to help you make a splash. Did you know your scalp needs the same hydration, protection, and exfoliation as the skin on the rest of your body, especially when you're spending time in the sun, salt water, and chlorine? Head over to the Ipsy app for more scalp real talk plus skincare tips. Need an excuse to get your summer shopping on? Here's what we're obsessing over at Ipsy HQ, and you'll even get cash back when you snag them on the Ipsy app. Okay, so it's not really like an inspirational thing, but it says, refresh and stimulate your scalp after a day at the beach. Practice safe sun with water and sweat resistant SPF. Okay, keep your glow game strong all day long with that. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and go into the Ipsy Unbagging. The first thing that I pull out is, it's not even closed, it says Hemp's Pure Herbal Extracts, Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon. It hydrates and refreshes. So that's what the first thing is. It says it's enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. So it's a lotion, yeah, it's a lotion. And a herbal body moisturizer. It smells like, I don't know how to explain it, but it smells okay, good, you know. And then it's Ico London travel size skinny liquid eyeliner, which I did say in my last video or a previous video that I do like eyeliner. How y'all doing though? How y'all doing though? Huh? What? How y'all doing though? Okay, so this little eyeliner package, and then when you put it on, it comes out smooth. It's kind of thick, so I kind of like it, but yeah, I'm gonna be using this one a lot, so I can't wait to get that out. The next thing is the Sage Cosmetics Nail Liqueur. It's Red Carnival. It says vegan, cruelty-free. Yeah, it's vegan and cruelty-free. So, should I show the box? Here you go. And then this is the nail color. I was actually thinking about doing my nails recently, so I might actually, this is cracked. Wow, this is cracked, cool. Okay, so cut off, so I'm not really sure what it got or not. But I was saying that I was thinking about doing my nails tonight, and then I try to like smudge this off, but oh, never mind. Forget what I said. So yeah, the next thing is, bam, it's Lord and Berry lip liner. This is a lip liner. this looks really bright, which means I will probably not use this. Like, I really don't think I'm going to use this at all. So, okay, so yeah, that's like an orange color, and I'm not gonna use this. But it came off really smooth, so maybe if they had like another color, it would be good. But that's not for my skin tone. I don't wear that bright of colors, but look at my skin, it's like kind of smooth. It's a little dry because I just like washed it and I didn't put moisturizer on it, but I didn't want to be as shiny, so we're good. And then I got this little bag, and it was outside of the package, and it is Water Balm Ultra Hydrating Glossy Lip Treatment. And I guess these are instructions, or yeah, okay, I can use this, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like in this little package. It's small and it smells, doesn't really have a smell, but it's like really glossy. So I'm not for, you know, putting stuff directly on my lips, like trying things out like that. Yeah, I don't know, but it's like, it's glossy, it comes off smooth. So I don't think it's gonna be like a texture that will make it like oily, because I hate my lips to feel oily. I like it just to feel natural and moisturized, which Burt's Bees does do. You know, if you're watching this, you should go ahead and what is it? Hire me as your brand, whatever, or what is it? Sponsor, that's what it is. So like Burt's Bees does, and if you're watching this, you should definitely sponsor me. But yeah, so thank you, Gems, for watching this video. Also, if I didn't introduce myself before, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. I am Jawada, hence the love_Jawada, and I hope to grow this family even bigger. And I want to talk to you also. Don't forget to leave comments down below, and subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends and family, coworkers, classmates, wherever part of life you are, you know. And I hope you like this video. Remember, you are beautiful, stay beautiful, be beautiful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.